Bangaru Bhavita, Parvathipuram Manyam district, formed on 4th April 2022 in northeastern Andhra Pradesh, is predominantly tribal with rugged terrain, remote villages, and a significant gap in access to essential services like healthcare and education. The district has one of the lowest literacy rates in the state, contributing to poor socio-economic outcomes, high maternal and child mortality, and increased vulnerability to diseases. To address these challenges, Bangaru Bhavita was launched as a convergence initiative between the Medical and Health Department and the School Education Department, focusing on improving child health, nutrition, and education outcomes. This initiative has strategically leveraged multiple government schemes to create a holistic support system for children, particularly those in tribal and remote areas. Challenges in implementation: difficult terrain and poor infrastructure, high dropout rates and early marriages, limited digital access, lack of nutritional awareness. These are the main challenges. Strengthening education through My School, My Pride initiative. Integrating healthcare and education. Addressing malnutrition through Badi Thota, school gardens. Community engagement and sustainable development. Impact and outcomes. Reduction in teenage pregnancies and early marriages. Focused awareness programs significantly reduced adolescent pregnancies, thereby decreasing maternal mortality rate (MMR) and infant mortality rate (IMR).
ఈ భవిత కార్డ్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా ఇస్తాం. మీ పేరెంట్స్ వెళ్ళి మీరు సంతకం పెట్టించుకోవాలి. ఓకే, అంటే ఈ అమ్మాయి తాలూకా బేసిక్ ప్రొఫైల్ ఇక్కడ రాసాము. బట్ మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే ప్రతి నెల అనీమియా టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం. అనీమియా అంటే డైట్లో మనకున్నటువంటి ఐరన్ కంటెంట్ ని తెలియజేసేటువంటి ఒక
Improved nutritional status. Anemia among school children reduced by 40%, and students showed improved energy levels and concentration in academics. Enhanced educational outcomes. Student attendance and performance improved, leading to the district securing first place in Andhra Pradesh for 10th class results. Decrease in seasonal disease outbreaks. Health screenings, vaccinations, and hygiene awareness led to a significant drop in diarrhea, malaria, and respiratory infections. Increase in institutional deliveries. Pregnant women were encouraged to opt for institutional deliveries, reducing maternal and neonatal mortality rates. School gardens. Under the Poshan Vatika scheme, financial incentives for girls' education and telemedicine supported learning have set a benchmark for holistic tribal welfare. And with the right education, teenage pregnancies and child marriages have significantly declined, leading to better maternal and child health indicators. This model stands as a testament to the power of cross-sectoral collaboration in creating sustainable and impactful solutions for marginalized communities.
Bangaru Bhavita is a very wonderful program. It is likely to be students' academic performance and key performance and descriptions, and also the students' health progress, hemoglobin process. It is all included in these reports. These reports are especially for school students. If in case any one student is low percentage of HB, they are taken to the hospital immediately. If the student really has HB low percentage, then they will be taken the healthy food and IFA tablets and also Jaggery made food. My School, My Pride. All schools are adopted to district and mandal officers for the supervision of activities doing in our school. 10th class study hours and performance is also consolidated to higher officers, and they are giving motivation to us. Nutri Garden is promoting a healthy habits and hands-on learning. By
early antenatal registrations are encouraged. A conceived woman is identified at the earliest, tested as per schedule.
Healthy food. By growing our own vegetables, we are more likely to be healthy and improving intake of nutritional and overall health. Thank you for developing these all amazing programs in our school for our golden future. Thank you very much.